3 olfactory displays were developed over 4 weeks in a course on tangible and embodied interaction, taught in the second year of the undergraduate interaction design program at Malmö University, Sweden. Based upon our ongoing research in the field and our workshop and lab capabilities, we focused on supporting the development of scent output devices, olfactory displays. These prototypes are sufficiently robust to be employed in small-scale user studies to draw conclusions about olfactory interaction in application areas that include ambient notification, smell training, and blend perception. Scentiny is a device that can mix scents in different concentrations to produce a scent composition. The 4 alcohol-based scents are delivered to piezoelectric transducers through a wick. The piezos vaporize the scents in a mixing chamber, and then the fan draws them up and out through the nozzle. The scent materials are delivered into the mixing chamber by 4 hacked, off-the-shelf USB humidifiers that are controlled by an Arduino micro. In this version of Scentiny, there are 5 predetermined compositions, and the user can choose what composition they want by pressing buttons on the controller. When smelling the composition, the user can hold the button to keep experiencing the same mixture, or press a new one to pan to another smell. This can be used to explore a composition and making different parts stand out. Vortex Nova is a digital vortex cannon that is used to deliver scent through air vortices. A vortex cannon consists of a cylinder with a small aperture on one end and a membrane on the other. To make the vortex cannon digital, an Arduino microboard and other Arduino components are implemented in the construction. The pressure sensor is used as an input, while the motor is used as an output. When the striker head hits the membrane, the air inside the cylinder is compressed and forced out of the hole on the opposite side of the cannon. The size of the rings depends on the diameter of the aperture, the volume of air inside the cylinder, and the force by which the membrane is hit. In this particular case, smoke is demonstrated to visualize the vortex rings. However, this digital vortex cannon is designed for scent delivery for an olfactory display. The Quadra Vortex project expanded upon the Nova Vortex in a 6-week project and adopted a material exploration approach, proposing to explore possible smell interactions between the user and the vortex ring. The device can deliver multiple scents in different directions over a medium distance range. By using the Arduino Micro, the device is fully automated, and the outputs are controlled by buttons. Since the device uses Arduino, which is open source, and the construction is built using cheap materials that are readily available, this device can be recreated by anybody who has basic programming skills. The Ambians is an ambient notification system for use at a desk or similar environment. An example use would be to signify the end of the working day when working from home, to ease a change in mindset. The Ambians is made up of a plastic custom reservoir for the liquid scent material, complete with a spout for refilling it, and a wick for delivering the liquid to the piezo transducer. The piezo is controlled by a microcontroller, creating a scented mist, which is wafted into the room by a paper fan attached to a servo motor, controlled by the same microcontroller.